So, the message of today comes from the Kings of Cups. Don't be so focused on other people's businesses, on other people's tea, so to speak, that you lose sight of your own. Don't be such an expert at other people's lives that you don't know where your life is going, okay? Otherwise, if you're too focused on others, your life is going to be stagnant and you're going to be drained emotionally, mentally, physically, energetically, in all forms. So rather use that energy to set your life in motion, okay? Because listening or talking to people or about people or both, they are energetically draining, and this is energy that you could be using in your own life.